Repeating an old recipe. Adds a bit of ginger, 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed here, 1 teaspoon of cumin, white jeera and jeera, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, little bit of cloves, lavang, 1 bay leaf, tej patta, black peppercorns optional, and a bit of cinnamon bark here. Now I'm soaking this for a little bit. We have a quarter cup approx of grated coconut here. So we have a rough paste like this is fine. Sinks down. That was a bit of hing and 1 red chili dried. Now covering this. This is going to be a bit spicy. People like to add sugar. I'm not adding. Adding a few raisins or kismis. That was traditionally added. And adding chopped coriander or cilantro on top is optional. I don't add in this one. That's it.